XRP breaks the bull pennant, but that's just phase 1. So here's what just happened. After months of tight consolidation, XRP finally broke out of its bull pennant structure. This move began after XRP surged past $3 earlier this year, reaching as high as $3.40 in January 2025. That rally created the flagpole of the formation. Since then, price action cooled off. XRP ranged between $2 and $3 for over half a year, forming the pennant itself. And now, boom, it's broken out. This pattern is one of the strongest continuation setups in technical analysis. Based on the flagpole measurement, most analysts now point to $11 as the next big move. Here's where it gets spicy. Analyst Ere'S Crypto, who's built a reputation for spotting long-range XRP patterns, says $11 might actually underestimate the breakout's true potential. He revisits a key pattern from back in 2023, when XRP formed a falling wedge after collapsing from its $1.96 high in 2021. That wedge ended in March 2023 at 35 cents, when XRP snapped upward and began the long climb to its 2025 peak. That move, one that most traders ignored, laid the foundation for the flagpole we just completed this year. And here's the twist. Back then, the target was $1.60, but XRP ran all the way to $3.40. That's 111% higher than expected. If this kind of next-level analysis is what you came for, like the video now and subscribe to TJ Crypto World, so you never miss another breakout level breakdown. And comment below, what's your XRP price target in 2025? Let's see where the community stands. Let's zoom in on the pattern logic. In technical analysis, a bull pennant forms after a major run-up. That's your flagpole. The market cools off, traders take profit, and prices move sideways inside a tightening range. That's the pennant. Once price breaks out of the upper trend line, it typically resumes the previous trend. The common measured move, height of the flagpole equals sign target. So yes, $11 makes sense mathematically. But here's the problem with math in crypto. It doesn't account for mania, it doesn't account for belief, it doesn't account for acceleration. Ere'S argues that just like in 2023, the market may once again overshoot its technical target. Why? Because markets evolve faster than traditional models. He applies what's called logarithmic scaling to XRP's chart. This model is ideal for exponential assets like crypto. It focuses on percentage growth over raw price movement. In this model, Ere'S identifies a growth curve stretching from XRP's 2017 high through the 2021 rejection and projecting into 2025. 2026. Where does that arc meet XRP? Right around $22. That's not guesswork. It's data-driven extrapolation built on previous breakout behavior. We're not just talking candles and Fibonacci extensions. Breakouts like these are driven by human behavior. Retail traders FOMO in after seeing XRP break multi-year highs. News media begins covering XRP again after a quiet decade. Altcoin rotations flow out of saturated ETH/BTC into undervalued assets. Derivatives markets fuel short squeezes, accelerating upward price motion. In other words, $11 might be the ignition, but $22 could be the explosion. Now don't get it twisted. This doesn't mean XRP will hit $22 next week. These are high time frame targets, built off multi-year patterns. There's volatility, there are retracements. But what's undeniable is this. In 2023, XRP crushed its projection by over 100%. If history rhymes even halfway, $22 isn't fantasy, it's probability. So here's the real question. Are you prepared? XRP's breakout is live. The charts are screaming continuation. And the models, both linear and logarithmic, are flashing double-digit targets. Don't be the one watching from the sidelines when the headlines flip from doubt to disbelief. Thanks for rocking with me here on TJ Crypto World, where we don't chase trends, we analyze turning points. If this opened your eyes, like the video, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss the next breakout opportunity. And watch this next video, XRP versus Ethereum, the battle for smart money in 2025. Because it's not just about price, it's about positioning. I'll see you there.